Welcome back. I'm Jill with carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite recipe for homemade brownies. Now these brownies are thick and rich and chewy and loaded with chocolatey, amazing crusty edges and big chocolate chips. Your family is going to love these, and I can't wait to show you how to make them. Stick around and I will show you step by step how to make these incredible homemade brownies. And then the ingredients to make our homemade brownies, we have butter, and I always bake with salted butter. I think it just tastes better. So we have 1 cup of butter, and you can melt this in a pot or in the microwave, that's fine, but be sure it is room temperature before you add it. So we have our butter, and then we have 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup cocoa powder, and then we have 4 eggs here, and again, if they are room temperature, it's going to mix so much better. And 1 teaspoon of, this is just vanilla extract, and then 1 cup of flour, just regular all-purpose flour, and then we have our chocolate chips, and these are optional, but I tell you what, it just makes these brownies so delicious. This is just milk chocolate chips, and the Ghirardelli kind are my favorite, or the Godard. Those are amazing too. So anyways, chocolate chips and our brownie ingredients here. Take a look at these thick, rich, chewy brownies. They are soft and delicious and have perfectly crusty edges. This chewy fudge brownie recipe will have you ditching the boxed mix just after 1 bite. These homemade chewy brownies are perfectly dense, full of chocolate flavor, and they will literally melt in your mouth. They are so tender and are perfect for adding a scoop of ice cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or just for an easy dessert. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of FoodKitchen.com, and be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.